So now we got these posts in. Took 3 guys a full day to install these things, and it's a much better improvement over those little trailer park crap we had in here as part of the original construction of the house. Here's a closer view of one of the posts. We got a steel plate down there to anchor it in. There you go. So this is 3 inches by 6 inches, a 1/4 inch steel. It's hollow inside, obviously. And then, so this is $2,500 to do this. And then they straightened that beam. It was kind of tilting a little bit. So real pleased with the way this little part of our project came out.